Howdy everybody, Tom from CSI. Happy Father's Day to all the dads that are out there. Thank you all for the support that you've given us on YouTube and all the other social media platforms. We have officially broken the 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. So thank you all. I hope you're enjoying the videos. Please, if you're new to our page, like and subscribe so you can get all of the new videos as we put them out. We are going to do a 20% special on YouTube right now till, let's see, we'll do it for a couple days on our website, CSI-shine.com, and let's come up with a word, Father's Day. So that will be the word that I use. You type that in to the program, and I'll put it right up here so you know what the word and how it's spelled, because it is case sensitive too. So we'll do all lowercase, Father's Day, and it's a 20% discount to anybody. You know, we're doing it for fathers, but if you got a dad and you're doing polishing, hopefully you're already using CSI, and CSI is making your life a lot easier. If you're new here to CSI, we say at CSI you don't need any other products for polishing or detailing paint. That goes for anybody from big giant industrial manufacturing companies that make cars or motorhomes, buses. We sell to those markets, and they use only this one product. If you're a crash shop, a one-man crash shop or a 100-person crash shop, we sell to that market too. One single solitary product for doing everything. If you're a detailer, we sell this product to detailers too. If you're a detailer and you're very concerned with price, you know, because this product, it's about 65 bucks a quart. We do have less expensive products that work exactly the same way. The formula is the same as this formula, only it has a lot more water in it. So when you use our product we sell to the detailing market, it's called System 1. And you can look that up on our website, CSIshine.com, and you'll see the little bottle of System 1. It's less expensive than this bottle, and it will do everything that you need to do as far as detailing goes, including, you know, if you need to do some color sanding and polishing. It's just not as fast as this product. We don't make multiple products for doing the same job. We say, if you want to cut, you use this product. If you want to finish, you use this product. One single product. It's called single product polishing. We invented it. Now everybody out there is trying to copy what we started. The only thing is they don't really understand. From the 3Ds out there on the market, 3D is a great company, been out there for a long time, selling lots and lots of product. They have a product that they say competes with CSI, Ceram-X. They say they have a product, but then they also sell compound. And I'm like, well, if you have a product that competes with Ceram-X, then why do you have a compound? I don't understand. Because we don't. We don't sell a compound and a polish. We sell one product, one polish that replaces all compound and replaces all levels of polishing. It all works within the chemistry that's in here. We sell multiple pads, so maybe if you want to do deep cutting, we have a wool pad. Minor cutting, we have a foam pad. And then super fine cutting, we have another foam pad. We sell it for the DA, we sell it for the 3-inch polisher, we sell it for the rotary polisher. All different pads, one single product. So I just wanted to say thanks to everybody for supporting us in this game called paint polishing. We've been at it for almost 30 years now, and it's only because of you. We would not be able to be here if it wasn't for you supporting us. So please take advantage of the 20% discount that we're putting out there right now, and have fun polishing. If you need to get a hold of me, my phone number is always available, 714 906-6619. Thanks, everybody, and happy Father's Day.